The system starting issue on your Volvo XC40's infotainment system typically indicates a software glitch, preventing the system from fully booting. This is often due to corrupted cache, incomplete software updates, or power supply disruptions. As of late 2025, Volvo has released several software updates, currently on Android Auto version 14.2, to address this problem, especially for models from 2019-2022. Volvo's app-based fixes now resolve 90% of reported cases. The most direct solution is a force reboot. To perform this, turn off the vehicle completely, then press and hold the power button, usually the volume knob, for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Afterwards, restart the car. This clears the temporary memory and often bypasses the software freeze. Rapid power cycling, incompatible apps, or electrical faults can trigger this issue. Ensure your Volvo XC40's infotainment system is always up to date. Check for over-the-air updates via the Volvo Cars app or at a dealership. For successful updates, connect to Wi-Fi and maintain a battery charge above 50%. If the force reboot doesn't work, consider updating manually via USB. Some users have reported success by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes, followed by a full system wipe. Volvo's diagnostic app or an OBD2 scanner can also help identify error codes, with U001 often indicating communication faults. If problems persist, especially after major Android OS upgrades, a dealer visit may be necessary for module replacement, costing $500 to $1,500. Volvo had a voluntary recall for 2023 XC40 units due to faulty system modules.